So with each of the molds, they've come from a different location, either from Australia or from America at this stage. I haven't been to other countries and molded rocks. Okay, so typically what I'll do is I'll go there with somebody helping me, hopefully, or 2 or 3 or 4 people, and we'll clean that rock. So if there's lots of lichen and mosses on that, we typically don't mold those rocks. But if there's just some sand on there and there's some sort of roots coming through, little roots coming through the cracks of the rock, then we might cut those and clean that up, and then off we go. We start molding that rock. A week later, typically, we've put enough coats on that. We then have to make a case of that, which is a big job, and then we'll bring those 2 bits, the case and the latex rubber, back to our factory. Once we have that, we'll then make another one of them, the first one of those. We'll keep that. We've got that now forever, and that will be used again whenever we need to replace that latex. So this is one of the spots where we've got matching rocks to suit that. So while we were there molding this, we molded the rocks at the base of this. So that's often what you want to do. If you have a big wall, usually there's a lot of rocks around it. So when you put the 2 of them together, like most cases we'll have a bunch of boulders at the bottom of a wall. They might be planter rocks, or they might just be accent rocks, and they'll add to the whole atmosphere of what you're trying to create. And that's all you're trying to do. Remember, landscaping, theming, interior design, you're just trying to create a theme that people are going to love. That's it. If you do a really good job, they don't even know why they love it. They just sit in it, they experience it, they enjoy it. So the more you can do that throughout your office, through your home, through your restaurant, then the more you're going to have people wanting to come back and experience that and enjoy that. So that's really my whole gig. That's all I'm doing, is I'm molding things that will help create an atmosphere that helps typically in landscaping, but now we're moving on to a lot more interior decorating with our products. And this is just one other example of that.